Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow is weekly expiry and tomorrow's expiry is very important because tomorrow's expiry is going to be make or break expiry. And for knowing the breakdown level, for windfall gain and for not getting trapped at the top, watch my video till the end and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So now let's analyze Nifty's daily chart, and before analyzing Nifty's daily chart, let me take back and show you something. So this was the pre-budget fall, and that fall happened because we had a formation of double top here and we broke the neckline. The neckline's level is 14,222. So we have a support at 14,222, and after the budget, when markets were going up, we had a gap here. So the gaps levels are 14,280 and 14,470. And now let's come back again. And when you check, Nifty tested 14,280 here. The low was 264, then 248, then 279. So Nifty tested that 280 level thrice, and now from last 2 days Nifty is testing that neckline support, that was 14,222. So the low of this green candle is 14,190 and this red candle is 14,207. So twice Nifty tested the support of that double tops neckline, and now if Nifty again comes around 14,200, this time it will not hold for sure because the way corona is spreading is something very serious and markets will react on that. So if we break 14,200, the next target comes at 13,600, the previous swing low before the budgets fall. And below 13,600 it may go till 13,200. So below 14,200 future looks dark for Nifty, and don't buy anything because the markets are falling, because it may fall more tomorrow. And on the top side, the resistance is around 14,350 to 14,400. Let me show you that in 15 minutes chart. So Nifty made a rounding top pattern here in the 15 minutes chart yesterday. So we have a resistance at 14,350 to 14,400, 350 to 400. So if Nifty sustains above 14,400, then you can think to go long in intraday. I am not recommending positional long. Even if you want to go long above 14,400. Before that, don't even think to go long. And if Nifty opens flat, it may go till 14,350. If Nifty opens flat, it may go till 350, 400. It will face resistance and it will again come down. It may come till 14,200, and if it doesn't hold, it may go till 13,600. And in case Nifty opens below 14,200, it may come back, it will test that 14,200 again and it will fall. So anyhow, if Nifty opens 30-40 points up, think of shorting again with a stop loss at 14,400. And if Nifty opens below 14,200, wait for a bounce to come, and near 14,150, 200, again go short on Nifty. And if you trade in multiple lots, you can short at 14,100 to if Nifty opens gap down, and average it when it comes 14,200. And tomorrow I am expecting a steep fall below 14,200, so there will be a chance of getting windfall gain, and you may buy puts and you may see puts like 10-20 rupees puts going till 50, 60, 100 rupees. So tomorrow's expiry is make or break expiry. Below 14,200, don't buy anything, just short. Analyze Nifty's option chain for tomorrow's expiry, and as you know, Nifty closed at 14,300, and 14,300 call has 22,44,000 open interest, so it will act as first resistance, and 14,400 has 25,70,000 open interest, so it will act as second resistance. And on the put side, when you see, the data is highly negative, and the similar kind of data we saw on 25th March expiry. So you can watch that video clicking on top right of your screen. And that day market fell by 300 points, and as we said that day, so if you watch that video, you'll understand data better this time. So now if we see, 14,250 put writers squared off their positions and open interest reduced by 30,000. 14,200 put writers squared off their positions and open interest reduced by 6,72,000. Even though Nifty closed at 14,300, they squared off their positions. So they are expecting market to go below 14,200, and now when you see, 14,000 put writers also squared off their positions and open interest reduced by 46,800. Nifty is 300 points up, and like Nifty should fall more than 300 points for 14,000 put writers to make losses, but still they squared off their positions. And when you go down and check 13,900 strike, open interest is reduced by 1,02,000. So Nifty should fall more than 400 points for them to make loss, but still they squared off their positions. So as we saw earlier on chart, if Nifty goes below 14,200, it will fall till 13,600 because we don't have any support in between. So that's the reason why they are squaring off their positions, and they too know that markets will fall, and the fall will be steep and quick. And the reason, as we all know, the rise in cases of corona, so market will react on that. So don't go long. If you want to go long to go long above 14,400, and before that don't go long because markets are going to fall very much. And if you like my video, please share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Aman signing off. Thank you.